Cool Kicks used to get back in East LA right when they opened. Literally just opened. Yeah, see, this is how quick the fools are. This is how quick they work. Look at this. Look at that's how it works here. That's why I got here super early. Checking the 10s, 10 and a half real quick. All right, stuff happening super quick, so grabbed a few things so I could show you guys. We got Jordan 1 mids right here. Look at this, size 8.5 or size 8, $68. And you do get that 30% off the back wall. Cosmic Unity is going for $80 right here. I saw guys with Jordan 1 Palominos. That was a refurb. Seems like the men's section, this is the women's right here. Just checking real quick. All right, I don't see much in the women's. Let's go over a few things that I grabbed. That's their pals already. Actually, I'll show you some stuff on the wall. 102 for the Air Max Griffey. That's a size 9. Witness right above that, $50. Slightly imperfect. Air Max 90s, slightly imperfect, 65 for those. Look. Jordan 2s right here, slightly imperfect, 88. That is a size 9. Air Max 97s going for $93. These are all slightly imperfect. Gently worn Jordan 1 mids, $68. $68. Luca 2 size 9 going for $65, slightly imperfect. Size 10, 10 and a half. Luca 2s going for $65. I see all kinds of dunks. I see these full grabs, all kinds of dope stuff. I saw dunk SBs as well. Someone's piles. Infinity Run 4s, $96. These are like new. Comfort 11, low, slightly imperfect, $65 for those. Air Forces going for $58. These are slightly imperfect though. Got these right here. Infinity Run 4s going for $80. $63, slightly imperfect for these dunks right here. Dude, and remember, you do get 30% off everything. Jordan 37 lows right here go for $88. Dang. Well, these are slightly imperfect. The thing about some of the slightly imperfect stuff, like a lot of times they're good, dude. They're good. $80 for these Infinity Run 4s right here. Size 11. Air Max 1s, these are going for $80. More Air Max 97s going for $93. 37s right here going for $93. And remember, these are just the leftovers. These aren't even like the best things. These are the leftovers. Nike by You dunks. Super bright color right here. $75 right here. Terminator highs going for $68. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature size 13, $75, slightly imperfect. Blazers, $53. This is a size 12, slightly imperfect. Pegasus 40, gently worn, $70 for those. All right, everybody else got their stacks. I grabbed a couple things just to show you guys a few things. I may or may not pick maybe one of these things up. But let's take a look at some of the stuff that I found. Looks like they got a big shipment of Nike by You dunks. Like, these look okay. These look, oh damn, dude. Yeah, that fool ruined it by putting that crap on there. Yeah, I'm definitely not grabbing these, but did put that on the back. Look pretty decent. These are size 10 have $75. $75. These are normally $150 if you order it from Nike. We're gonna throw those back. Jordan 1 high right here. These are $90. Slightly imperfect. And just to show you guys what slightly imperfect looks like, we're gonna look. I don't really see anything on this side. It's the midsole. The midsole color. No, it's supposed to be sale, right? Yeah, I don't really see anything really off about these, but look at this. Look at this. $90. Are you serious? $90, slightly imperfect. Do you get an extra 30 off? So this is what, 60 something bucks for these right here. Holy cow. I'm gonna throw them back though. And then do got a couple of Invincible Run Flyknit 3s. I've been eyeing these for quite some time. They just look hella comfy. They look more comfy than the Pegasus Turbos that I do have. And yeah, these are going for $90 to get an extra 30% off. Don't think I've seen these for that cheap. So this is a size 10 right here. And then that's a size 10 and a half. I think both of these are going for 90 bucks. So I might try it on. That'd be $63 or something. It's not a for sure cop. I'm not gonna lie. It's not a for sure cop because I got a lot of expenses coming. I have to buy a car and I have a couple of things coming up. So yeah, my budget for sneakers not too deep right now. But yeah, Nike by You Dunks. I just threw those back. These fit kind of tight. These do fit kind of tight. And this is slightly imperfect. Oh, this is gently worn, but look, there's like discoloring. Discoloring on the toe box right here. Like you would think this would be slightly imperfect. Yeah, that's crazy. All right, I'm gonna throw these back. I'm not gonna grab them. I do need a size 10 of these. I'm not digging this colorway though. I'm not digging this colorway, but $63, just hella comfy, man. Normally 180 I think for these, 160, I don't know, but I'm gonna throw them back. See a couple of these leftovers, Air Max 90s. It's like new for $78. All white Forces, look at this. All white Forces, 69 bucks, dude. 69. These are like new. These are a size 10. Size 10. That is technically my size, but yeah, I'm not a big fan of the Air Force One. So that's definitely the cheapest Air Force One I've seen. So 70 bucks. That's under 50 bucks. Right? Yeah, I think that's like 50 bucks. Dude, 50 bucks for Air Force Ones. Holy cow. That is my size, but like I said, I'm good on those. They got Forces in an 8.5 right here. I could find one for somebody. Jordan 3s, 210 for these. Remember, you do get that 30 off, so that's what's up. Infinity Run 4s, size 9, gently worn. These are going for $80. Witnesses going for 50, size 9, slightly imperfect. 2017s right here, gently worn, 95 for those. Yeah, that's not bad. Blazer Nike by You, size 10. Gently worn, going for 60. What the hell is this? Size 3.5? How is this a size 3.5? What the hell? How is that in the men's? 88 for those, gently worn. Dirty Denim, size 6.5. Men's, 8 women's, 75 for those, slightly imperfect. Air Force Ones right here. $58, gently worn, 6.5. Size 4 for the women and the kids. 5.5 women's, $80 for these. LeBron 21s already. Look at this. It is a size 5, 100 bucks. 100 bucks, so 70 after the discount. Air Max 97s right here, 180 for those. Witness 7s, 66 for those. 37s, 93 for 7.5 right there. Huarache Nike by You's going for $75. Air Max 1, size 7.5, going for 70. So what they do is they grab everything super quick, and then they deal with checking it out and then throw things back if they don't need it. So when you do come super early, you just need to grab everything as soon as possible. Then you can review what you found and then either decide to keep it or not, but you just got to grab everything hella quick. Got Cosmic Unities. These are size 8, going for 80 bucks. I know I'm like up and down on size and stuff. I'm just going by what's available and where I'm at and whatnot. So it is what it is. But yeah, $63 for these. Trainers right here, size 8. Big old shout out to the homie Tone. We've been talking for a cool minute now. $80 for these, size 11s right here. Dude, running shoes, man. They got a lot of good stuff here. Nike Furies, what the hell? Oh, is this for wrestling? Is this for wrestling? Oh, what is this for? I don't know what the hell that's for. But they got those like new, $54. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s going for too much, size 14.96 for those. Metcon Turbos. Can't really see the price on those. These are beat up as hell though. Some golf right here. Size 15, 155. Biggest Turbo Next Nature, 75 for those. $100 for these right here. Air Max 95s. All right, I think that's about it for the back wall. Let's go check out clothes real quick. I forgot, sometimes they be tripping here about me filming, so I just went through their, they have refurb clothing here. Look at this. This is a size small. This is fire, and you won't believe the price. This is a size small. And look at this, $48. You get an extra 40% off. So this is like 20, it's like 30 bucks, I think. It's around 30 bucks. $27 or something like that. That's just hella crazy. And then this says, I think this is slightly imperfect, yeah. But they have a Nike tee right here. This is a medium, $20. You get 40% off. Super, super thick. Super nice quality. I don't know what's off. I don't see anything. I don't see anything with it. I'll try it on. All right, this is a size small. This is a little bit young for me. It's a little bit young. I need to lose like 5, maybe 10 pounds. I think I need to lose about 10 pounds for me to wear this, but $27. This is hella crazy cheap. Holy crap. Oversized medium t-shirt. Fits okay. It could be a little tighter. I'm not the biggest fan of the oversized look. I think this is what, $25? $23, 40% off, so probably like 15 bucks. Not bad. It does have embroidered Nike on it. It's not bad. Not bad. Nice thick t-shirt. I think I'm gonna do everything you're not supposed to do. I'm gonna buy the small, not buy the medium t-shirt. Yeah, that's probably, I think I should be buying the t-shirt since it fits me now. This might fit me in the future after I lose a few pounds. I need to drop like 10 more pounds anyways. And they still have these here. These are going for 85 still, 85 normally, $1.20. All right, let's go check out the aisles and then we'll check out the rest of the clothes. They're still looking at the prices, doing what they gotta do. 39 minutes into this place opening. All right, check out the sneakers on the aisles. Zoom 92s, that's the cheapest we've ever seen those. They have very limited sizing. They do have a 10.5. I don't really need those. 70 for these. Bunch of the Team J's. I don't think we need to go through each and every one of those. Cardinal 7s. Ombre 7s right here. Iceberg Take 1s. Luca 2s right here. Is this a Chinese New Year version or something? Kind of looks like it. But yeah, Jordan 37s right here. Oh, these are the Ruiz. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, 150, well under retail. Some Dunk mids. Got a trio of these. Last one right there. Got some Blazers over here. Blazer low acronyms with all the tears and stuff like that. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. Holy cow. Size 14 down all the way to 4. Sakai Blazers. Got a trio of these. Well, all 3 of them, yeah. Monarchs right here. These are the 4Es, the wides. Free Metcon 4s. Another one on the backside right here. Terminator Highs. SB Alley-Oops. Got a trio of these. Black on white right here. More of these free Metcon 4s. 70 for these. Got a trio of Metcon 8s. Second one right here. And this one is what? Cargo Khaki Sequoia. We got some Airmore Up-Tempo, aka Up-Tempo 96s. Still got these right here. Witnesses, might be the cheapest we've ever seen those. Cheaper than even the discount stores. Cosmic Unity 2s. Got LeBron 20s right there, 20 Next Gens. Zoom Generations. As well as the Adjust Forces right here. Checking the women's real quick. Hirachis. $63 for these. Gently worn, size 6. Air Max 97 to $88. Got some silver bullets right here. Going for 90, slightly imperfect. Gently worn, size 8. Going for $88. And I forgot to show you guys these. These are fire as hell. Look at these. Look at these. These are Nike by You. Quality is just amazing on them. But they want the full price, so they want the full price, which is like $170, which is, yeah, that's insane. But that's how much Nike by You's cost, man. They ain't cheap. They do have a few of these in smaller sizes, $225 for those. At least you get the 30 off. Blazer Nike by You all black by Eric. These are $100 for these. Okay. Zoom Fly size 11s go for $85. Size 12 right here, $125. $125, that's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. That goes under $100 after the 30% off. Got these Dunks right here, Dunk High 85s, 13.5 size 12 men's, go for $100. Sabrina's right here, $130. Jordan 1 mids, these are a canvas one right here, size 10.5 men's, $68. Dunk Low Twist. Pretty much the pandas, but slightly different. The little plastic on the toe guard right there, as well as on the back, as well as the Nike swoosh. 120 for those. Huarache's going for 68. All right, let's go check out the clothing. All right, I was saving clothing till the end because sometimes they be tripping on me filming here. So, you know, I'm like, hey, this is when I'm the most exposed. ACG, this is all the refurb you do get. 40% off. 108 for those. $15 for this Nike t-shirt. This is all refurbished stuff. But yeah, I got, is this a Lakers shirt right here? It says Swoosh Records on it. Got that on the back right there. Address of the Staples Center. Crypto, whatever. Yeah, 20 bucks for that one. That's a large. This is an XL right here. 40% off, 60 bucks. That is a freaking bargain. It says like new. Jordan vest right here going for 55, slightly imperfect. XL Lakers t-shirt, long sleeve, going for $23. Got a medium, I definitely grabbed that. Another Lakers t-shirt right here, 23 bucks, slightly imperfect. This is a large, $23 right here. Championship has all the championships on it. Does say gently worn, so that was a return. Polo right here, slightly imperfect, $27. That is a large. XL jacket right here. That is $112. Remember, 40% off all clearance. I don't think this is a refurb. This is just, I don't know if they're returned. I don't know, but look at this jacket right here. Double XL. Letterman's jacket. Normally $500, $350, and then you get 40 off. LeBron t-shirts, $27 for those. Nike UNC shorts. Okay, this is a dry fit. $40 for the small right here. This is a refurb. That's fire. If they had a medium, I'd probably grab, or medium or large, I'd probably grab that. Fleece shorts right here, $25, slightly imperfect. Running shorts, $25, slightly imperfect. All right, they got a ton of dope stuff right here. Look at this. The Golden State Warriors jersey, $60, slightly imperfect. For this one, this is a Thompson jersey. Remember, you do get 40% off. Chelsea jersey right here. This is gently worn, 48 XL for this. Couple more Chelsea ones right here. This is a blank one. This is $45 for a large, gently worn. And then they got this one right here. I don't know who that is. But yeah, this is 48 bucks XL. Extra small men's LeBron jersey, 60 bucks, slightly imperfect. I didn't really see anything wrong with it. Poofy jacket right here, $125, slightly imperfect. That is a small. Another James. This is a small, 65. Curry right here, Steph Curry, 65 for this large, gently worn large. Really? Holy cow. And of course, Damian Lillard. That's an authentic. Damian Lillard, 100 bucks. Yeah, 100 bucks. 100 bucks. Are you serious? It does say slightly imperfect, so something could be wrong with it. They got a Swingman one right here, going for $66. Durant jersey right here. This is a return, $60, slightly imperfect. I don't even know who that is. $72 for this one. This is like new. That Nigeria. The Nigeria team right here, national team, $48 for that. I have the blue one. Do I need to get this one too? I'm not even into soccer, but for $40, then you get another 40% off. So this is what, 24 bucks? All right, so I did end up grabbing this. Of course, someone did eventually come and tell me, hey, I can't record. That's why I did the clothing last. But yeah, man, $31 after tax. I think it was like 28 bucks, something like that. And normally this is 90 bucks, 90 freaking dollars. Yeah, I just need to lose a couple pounds and then I'll wear it. You know, I'm gonna be losing some weight anyway, so cool. And I'm here because I did see on the Lid's Twitter page, they dropped their clearance sale to 40%.